Welcome, wanderers. Today we're uncovering the secrets to finding your dream Airbnb or vacation rental. Experience local culture, more space, and often better value with Airbnb or vacation rentals. Start by defining your needs and preferences. Consider location, amenities, reviews, and price range. Remember, a well-researched trip is a well-enjoyed trip. Narrow down options by applying filters for dates, price, type of accommodation, amenities, and more. Filters are your friends in this quest for the perfect stay. Learn from others' experiences. Reading reviews is crucial. Look for consistent praises and take note of any issues. Remember, a good review is worth 1,000 pictures. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Reaching out to hosts clears uncertainties, providing valuable insights. Communication is key in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable stay. Prioritize safety by verifying the listing, reading the cancellation policy, and checking the host's reliability. Remember, your safety should always be your top priority. Book early for better options, and don't forget to leave a review after your stay. Finding the perfect Airbnb or vacation rental is an art. Use these tips and embark on your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel and lifestyle tips. We'd love to hear from you too. If you want more detailed guidance on finding the perfect Airbnb or vacation rentals that best suit your budget, drop a comment below and let's start a conversation.